What is going on, guys? Aiden here. Today we are doing a valve cover paint job as well as changing the valve cover gasket. When I bought the car, the valve cover was bad, so it actually came with the gasket from the person I bought it from. So we're gonna take the valve cover off and then we're gonna do an oil change. Let's go. Oh, what did we expect? It is extremely cold out, and I just broke this. Just snapped it. Alrighty, so that really sucks. What I did was I was pulling on this, and I should have known it got extremely brittle, and it just snapped. It is obviously cold out. We got snow. It's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and I should have known it was gonna snap. This one, whether it be cold or dry rotted, is also extremely frozen, and I will struggle to get that one back on. I think I'm gonna go to the store and get both of the new rubber pieces. Alrighty, so we got it all covered up so no dust or debris or anything will get in the oil, although we are still doing an oil change just in case. And here we have the valve cover gasket. We're seeing a little bit of deformities here. I just went over and did a full inspection. It's a little weird here, but overall the entire thing just feels like plastic, which is not what you want for a rubber gasket. Could be because it's cold out, but it's most likely just too old and needs to be replaced anyway. Alrighty, we've got the part. I'm gonna head to the store right now, try to get a replacement. Probably grab some food, and we'll be right back. Okay, so basically the way I'm gonna combat the cold is I have to bring the valve cover inside, have it warm up. I don't have a garage right now, so I cannot spray inside. So I'm going to bring it outside, spray paint it, bring it back inside, have it continue to be warm. 10 minutes later, I'll come back out, do a second coat, third coat. We'll see how it goes. Okay, that was the first coat. I think we're gonna do 3 total. Okay guys, I'm sorry about the film, but I did get a third coat. I don't know what happened to the footage, but it was not recording. I got the masking tape off, so we are looking good. We're about to put it back on. Let's go. Alrighty, so that's exactly how you're supposed to do it. Just press fit this rubber gasket into place and it'll stay perfectly in as we put it in the car. Okay, this one with the washer went in the dead center of the car. I'm not sure why, but that's the way it was when I took it out. take this inside and warm it up, and then I'm gonna come back out so I don't break it like the first one. This is just to help anyone out trying to put the spark plug wires back in the correct place. Obviously this one's the longest. It seems like it should go here, and this can't even fit over here, but I do have the book here. So this is actually a book for the Protege and Miata and a couple other cars, but it has the exact look of the Miata right here. We got the rear of the car, front of the car. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, that matches up, and we got the 4 back there as well. So I'm gonna hold this right here for a second, make sure everyone gets it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put them back in the correct place. Alrighty, I'm all finished up. There's a quick look of where the wires go. This first one went to the first one, the second one went all the way to the end, this third one went to the third one, and this last one went to the second one. Bada bing, bada boom, that thing's done. Let's do a quick oil change and get this thing on the road. Got the car jacked up, and I'm seeing this right now. Remember, I just moved the car and it's still dripping. I'm seeing coolant from here. If anyone knows what that is, let me know. I will try to inspect it right now while the car's jacked up to see if I can figure anything out. In case you're wondering, that was a 19mm down there. Nice. Got the new filter. This is the 10W10 I was talking about. Okay, it's very obvious. I need to fix up that muffler leak, but I'm gonna clean around the edges of where the valve cover seal was, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive, and if nothing leaks, perfect, we'll be done.